Canopy has opened up a whole new area. It's in constant use, the kids love it. My name is Kath Hawkins. I'm the premises manager at Mount Spey Academy, which is a medium-sized secondary school in Penzance. The whole idea is being able to make it a flexible multi-use space, so it's an outdoor eating area. We can have markets on there, when we have our eco festival that can take place under there come rain or shine. A&S Landscape weren't the cheapest of the quotes, but I understood very quickly from their technical specification that what they were delivering was just a cut above everything else, and it's just really, really good quality, really robust, and the interlocking roof system is absolutely brilliant. They were very quick to sort of explain about the technical details, and can't fault it really. A&S Landscape were very helpful at the design stage. I got exactly what I wanted, which was something with no central supports. It's a really broad span and it's a huge expanse, but it's a lovely light space and it works very well acoustically. Everything that I wanted, I got, and they dealt with the technical side of that really, really well. And I felt that all the way along the communication was very, very clear, and I was kept informed all the way along. And I felt like I was dealing with real people, not just a sales team. If we were ever to do another project like this, we would have no hesitation in going back to A&S Landscape. And I have already made recommendations to other local schools.